Still cleaner than a new Volkswagen. Emissions Scandal. 1. Facts about Volkswagen. 2. What did Volkswagen do? 3. What caused Volkswagen to cheat? 4. How did Volkswagen cheat? 5. Why did Volkswagen cheat? 6. Consequences of the scandal. About Volkswagen. Volkswagen was founded by the German government in 1937. Volkswagen's headquarters are in Wolfsburg, Germany. The Volkswagen brand is comprised of 12 car brands which include Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, and Bentley. In terms of sales, Volkswagen was the largest automaker in 2018. Currently, Volkswagen has 100 plus factories worldwide and has over 600,000 employees. What is Volkswagen accused of? Volkswagen has been cheating in the emission tests to make their cars look environmentally friendly. In September of 2015, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency found that as many as 482,000 Volkswagen cars in America were emitting more toxic fumes than allowed by the U.S. standards. The cars emitted nitrogen oxide up to 40 times above what is allowed in the U.S. What caused Volkswagen to cheat? Senior management demanded a diesel vehicle which was fuel efficient and met the emission requirements, which at the time were unrealistic goals. As a result, mid-level managers resorted to deceptive practices to meet their goals. How did Volkswagen cheat? Volkswagen had installed a software in diesel engines that would change the performance of the engine during emission testing to improve results. Diesel cars have a NOx trap, which is a device that traps nitrogen oxide, and the effect of that NOx traps is enhanced when unburned fuel is pumped into the NOx trap. The US EPA that the engine's software could sense when the cars were being tested in the lab. Once the software detects the car is being tested, it would inject unburned fuel into the NOx trap to trap nitrogen oxide fumes. And once the car was back on the road, it would stop injecting unburned fuel into the NOx trap, so that the cars can provide the fuel and performance Volkswagen promised its customers. Why did Volkswagen cheat? The US EPA introduced new standards in 2004 which dramatically reduced the amount of pollution new diesel car would be allowed to emit. It reduced the amount of nitrogen oxide new cars were allowed to emit by 94%. These new standards made it increasingly difficult for automakers to offer fuel and diesel vehicles in the US market. However, Volkswagen was desperate to get back market share in the United States. Volkswagen chairman said the company cheated on emissions because they couldn't find a technical solution within the company's time frame and budget to build diesel engines that would meet US emissions standards. Consequences just ahead. Consequences of the scandal. Volkswagen's CEO at the time resigned because of this scandal. 9 managers suspected of being involved in the scandal were terminated. Customers lost confidence in the Volkswagen brand. Volkswagen scandal caused nearly 1 million tons of extra pollution. So far, 6 men have been formally charged. Volkswagen paid nearly $15 billion in fines, which included $10 billion for buybacks and repairs, $2.7 billion for environmental cleanup and $2 billion to promote zero-emission vehicles.